It is the first time that Shiba Inus have ever experienced something such to this. There are some extremely peculiar occurrences taking place right now. It appeared like nobody was freaking out despite the fact that more than $2 billion had been lost. How come? The reason for this is that the Shiba Inu team has informed us that we are about to embark on a very significant new step that has the potential to make us millionaires in a matter of days. There is, however, a catch. You must act in a momentary manner. If you do not take advantage of this opportunity immediately away, it could end up costing you a lot of money. To be more specific, what is taking place? Why are we taking this particular step? For the sake of clarity, this is not advice for business. Be sure to conduct your own research before making any decisions on your finances. Prior to being able to comprehend what is taking place, it is necessary for us to acknowledge that something that was absolutely unforeseen has occurred with Shiba Inus. The Shiba Inu, which is notorious for engaging in peculiar behaviors. Exactly, you are correct. Previously, the stock was notorious for experiencing significant price fluctuations. However, these days, it trades within a very narrow range. It would appear that the coin has achieved a point of equilibrium. This degree of composure has almost never been observed in a coin such as the Shiba Inu, which has experienced a significant increase and decrease in value in the span of just a few hours. Due to the fact that the prices of this cryptocurrency were constantly fluctuating and there was a possibility that its worth would suddenly increase, a large number of buyers and dealers were interested in purchasing it. Suddenly, there is a moment of silence, which is almost unsettling. The fact that the price of Shiba Inu can fluctuate so rapidly, despite the fact that it has a significant market capitalization, is one of the reasons that makes it such an intriguing investment. A great number of coins that have market caps that are comparable do not have this kind of movement. The rapid transition from a state of high activity to one of virtually utter silence is another peculiar phenomenon that I find fascinating. Just as one might anticipate, the Shiba Inu society is in a state of shock. Those who are concerned are wondering whether this period of relative calm is merely the beginning of a storm. Some individuals are perplexed and unable to comprehend what is taking place. When it comes to Shiba Inus, is this the beginning of a fresh and exciting moment, or is it just a little break? The most intriguing aspect of this discovery is the circumstances surrounding its discovery. Over the course of the previous few weeks, Shiba Inu has been gradually declining in quality. This sentiment is representative of the general pessimism that exists in the cryptocurrency industry. Despite the fact that Shiba Inus have become more stable, this indicates that the intense selling pressure that had been bringing them down is finally beginning to ease. In the present moment, Shiba Inu is doing really well. Investors who believe that the value of the market will increase will wish to re-enter the market once its conditions have become more stable. Now that the bearish pressure has subsided, there is some chance for the currency to potentially make a turnaround by turning around. If people have a more positive attitude towards meme tokens, there is a possibility that there may be a breakout, particularly if Shiba Inu is able to maintain the amount of support it now has. However, this brings to mind a question that is significantly more significant. What was it that caused Shiba Inu to become relatively stable all of a sudden? What is going on in the background that can be attributed to the very calm mood that we are experiencing? To answer this question, it is necessary to understand how the Bitcoin market functions as a whole. Not just Shiba Inus are affected by this trend, which is a noteworthy observation to make, all breeds included. To give you an example, Bitcoin, which is the most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, has undergone significant transformations. A significant and not at all random setback on the part of Bitcoin is the unexpected reduction of $2 billion in open interest in the cryptocurrency. This decrease in open interest makes it very evident that traders are exiting both long and short positions in the investment market. How come? The answer can be found by anticipating the upcoming elections in the United States. When the elections take place, it is anticipated that the markets will see a great deal of volatility. In order to avoid being taken aback by unanticipated shifts in the market that are associated with the election, traders are exercising caution and pulling back on their positions. This planned stop makes even more sense for Shiba Inus, as it is a response to significant market developments. It is possible that Shiba Inu will experience one of its well-known upswings or downswings if the results of the election generate significant changes in the business market. On the other hand, this is not only about the elections. It appears that the Shiba Inu squad is taking risks that are indicative of a far more significant issue. In November, there will be a lot of excitement because of the election in the United States, as well as changes in politics around the world. What did Lucy, a well-known member of the Shiba Inu team, write in a tweet not too long ago? I still believe that there is a good opportunity for a bull run, despite the fact that things do not appear to be going well. People who are passionate about Shiba Inus are highly interested in her prognosis and have a good attitude towards it. Everyone in the Bitcoin community has been speculating about the possibility of a bull run for several months now. In hearing this from someone who is aware of it, such as Lucy, a lot of people believed that a change in the market was going to occur in the near future. In addition, Lucy discussed the potential outcomes of this bull run. In her tweet, she expressed her belief that as soon as Bitcoin takes the lead, alternative cryptocurrencies will experience a surge in value. The current trend is consistent with trends that have occurred in the past. Bitcoin has a tendency to acquire momentum at an earlier stage during bull markets. Alternate cryptocurrencies frequently experience price surges as a result of money moving into them when Bitcoin reaches new highs and interest in the cryptocurrency develops. The manner in which Lucy behaves demonstrates that she is cognizant of this expectation. What I plan to do is stock up on well-known tokens like Leash, Shiba, and Bone, she stated in an interview. The importance of concentrating on ongoing projects that involve communities that are actively involved is emphasized by this approach. A history of dependability is associated with these coins, in addition to the fact that they are supported by robust settings. In addition, it is also interesting to note that Lucy cautioned, and I am also only ready to invest $100 in new meme tokens, since I do not have a lot of faith in them. Just consider the number of coins that have been produced and then vanished in a short amount of time. Always be observant and watchful. Go with your instinct. This piece of advice emphasizes how critical it is to exercise caution, particularly in a location where fresh meme tokens are added on a nearly daily basis. A significant number of these currencies lack that which is necessary for them to be successful throughout the course of time, although they have the potential to bring in a significant amount of money straight now. Additionally, it is not simply certain techniques that are making this a very exciting time for Shiba Inus and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. There are larger factors at play that are contributing to this. Over the course of history, November has proven to be a very profitable month, particularly in years when there were elections in the United States or Bitcoin halves. Moreover, the movements of important actors that were well planned and executed produced the ideal conditions for the possibility of advancement. Adding to the intrigue is the fact that Bitcoin mining